Guys, hola. Me and Titta, we met after work because we need to buy some stuff for the house. What do we need to buy?
The vacuum cleaner,
Blender and maybe like a cover for the sofa, but we don't know the measures of the sofa, so we're not sure, but we will see. We came to Colombo. I think it's the biggest mall in Lisbon. It's like really huge, you can see. Ooh. It's really nice, and now it's really close to our house.
Yeah, now it's easy to reach.
Yeah. Guys, we found this one that has the different packs. It has this one, it has the hand blender, and it has also this one that we will need for tiramisu. And it's, I believe it's 60 euros. There is like a promotion. It's Moulinex, so it's a nice brand. It's this pack here. It has like for accessories. So that is nice. It has also a fourth one with them. It has this one. I think it's for like onion stuff like that, like to cut stuff cheap. But also we found this, like this hand blender that is of course the cheapest, 14 euros. And now we will keep checking what is the best option. Taurus, I don't know. Look what we found. I think this is for the skin. I think it's like part of the skincare or something. Like, look, sustainable and actives based on natural plants, visible results and proven efficiency by science. Wow. Wow. More blenders. The toaster could be nice, but
these are the ones that you were
yeah. We're checking the toasters now, and this is the cheapest. It's like 15 euros. It's like this. And there is also this one, but this one it's like 27. How much is it? 15. Okay.
But I don't know, you used to toast just the slice of bread, right?
Depends on the house where I lived, actually. Some they had that one, some they had this, so I just adapt.
On that one you can also do
A sandwich, yeah.
And because like in Napoli we used to have a toaster, but you can put two slices with the feel inside. These ones are just for the single
slice. But for this one, I think we can do the slice and also the sandwich.
This seems like this is the size of the...
Yeah. No.
It's,
I remember that in one of the houses where I lived, we had one and it was okay. I like these ones. This one is really cute. Yes. But it's expensive, so... 50 euros. A lot of pink stuff. Smeg. Now we are checking the vacuum cleaners. But this is not super useful unless like for the sofa or... Yeah. Maybe, okay. Still expensive. I'm pretty sure I found like nice ones like this, but well, for sure not for us.
No.
Guys, thank God we didn't buy anything. I think we're gonna order online because we found like some, but it's raining.
Do you have an umbrella?
No, we can go fast. I have, but I won't open it. Don't worry, Titta. I also have the... thank you.
But come from
because we found like cheaper options online, so we will check online properly. However, I got a burrito and a cookie, and we got a sofa cover.
Yeah, at least one.
So that is for 10 euros from Continente, so that is like really nice. Anyways, see you, bye! Guys, I was doing a research and creating a list of the things that we wanted to buy. Like I told you, the vacuum cleaner, the toaster, something to make juice, like juicer, blender, hand blender. And I found really nice things on Wharton that are quite cheap, and they also have discounts, and I thought maybe I can share with you. Well, I created a list and now we made a selection, so we made the list shorter. And let me show you what we have. So here for the toaster, I found the same one that we found for 10 euros. It has the discount. On the store, it didn't have the discount. Here, also this one that is like 9 euros, but I believe we're gonna go for this one because we can actually make like sandwiches. I found this juicer that I didn't find in the store. It's like 13.5, which is really nice. We also found this set, and I believe we're gonna go for this set. It has like this one that we can use for tiramisu, the hand blender for soup, the juicer, and this is like to mince stuff, like I don't know, onion, tomato, wherever. And for the vacuum cleaner, we found like really nice options. This one, it's discounted. Also this one, they're all like quite nice, and I think we're gonna go for these. Like you can see the prices. To be honest, if I compare this stuff to Tunisia, I feel like here it is way cheaper to buy this type of stuff. I feel like in Tunisia we have them really expensive and we don't have much options. However, here for any budget you can find something nice that you can get, you can afford. It's not very like, the quality is not so bad. Of course, it's not gonna be the best if it's like 8 euros or 9 euros, but still it's something that is gonna work. So yeah, I just wanted to give you an update about this, what we did. We will need to make a decision regarding the vacuum cleaner by tomorrow. Most of the things, I think all the things I chose, they are the delivery is for free. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following the journey of us putting furniture in our new house. And have a great night. Ciao. Mwah. This is the future. The vacuum cleaner, it didn't really arrive. We picked it up. We have the toaster here. I tried it one time and it is working perfectly. 10 euros. And we have the vacuum cleaner. They dropped it they came at 6:45. I think I already left for my Portuguese classes and Titta, she wasn't home yet. So they put it in a place in Amadora. I don't know, it's not even Amadora, Bondina, or it was a different name. Anyways, and we went, the store, it was closed. And there was a woman and another woman coming out, like an old woman. I'm like, fechado, is it closed? And they're like, sí, Amania, yes, tomorrow. Then I couldn't express my feelings in Portuguese, so I write in Google Translation. I told her we live really far and we came. It was an adventure in the bus. I don't know. I was really scared. Titta was less scared. I was scared. Anyways, it was different than Lisbon. And yeah, and then the woman, she entered and she gave us the thing. And Titta is assembling it. How much was the vacuum cleaner?
I don't remember. 35?
35, I think. Like I told you, we ordered online, so...
Okay, so not really the same that I have in Napoli.
I expected it to be bigger, longer.
I mean, it's okay. We are not so tall.
Yeah, but I expected it to be bigger in general.
This is the other piece.
You want to try it out?
Let's try. And usually I put the comb around this part.
Okay. The brand, don't know. Red key.
Pick the sunset look, which
Yeah,
beauty of
really nice. Sunset with the vacuumer in the...
what?
Sunset with the vacuumer in the back.